Been a couple of days since the last shower, so we're doing this little makeshift shower. What we've got going on is our bin. Clean that up, put some hot water and stuff in there, so it's going from that bin into here, and then we can soak my feet as well. But it feels so nice. We just boiled some water up so I can have a semi-warm shower. Hit me then. Oh. Oh, it feels so good. Nice to get the old shower out. The 12 volt is fantastic. Obviously we have got the whole setup with the shower curtain and the hula hoop for inside the van, but you don't really need to use this unless it's cold, it's the winter, or you're in a city or somewhere where you can't just stand outside the van amongst nature and have your shower. So we haven't had to really use that much because we've been travelling in the summer, but all good, so good to be clean again.
So Nick was a lot more desperate for a shower today than myself, so this is what's left for me for my wash. A tiny bit of warm water at the bottom of the bucket. But you know what, saying that, it's crazy how little water you can have a wash with. Like, that would be enough now for me to just have a bit of a face wash, a bit of a pits wash, the old soap and flannel method. You know, you can literally live and wash and do your dishes and everything else on just so little water. You just learn to be so efficient in that way. And especially somewhere like Poland, where we've really struggled to fill up our water tank. What's the matter with you? Eh? This little thing, look at him. He doesn't like being outside. Charlie absolutely loves it. This one, he hates it. Always moaning to get back in. Mummy, I'll get you in a minute. Just let me finish my wash.
So yeah, this is our great little park up, which is pretty much like a campsite really. Your own little section with benches and bins in the middle of a nice little forest. Lovely. Yeah, we spent the day here, pretty much all day, editing. Took the dogs for a little walk before. The weather hasn't been that great. So yeah, we're just going to see if we can have a quick explore of this national park, the main little areas, in the few hours of daylight we have left before heading to Krakow tomorrow.
Yeah, so we really enjoyed this little spot. It's been nice. We're in amongst the trees and we just had a nice day just chilling today. The weather hasn't been great, as Nick said before, but we don't mind that. But we are going to have a nice little walk before the sun goes down and take these little crazy dogs out for a walk because they've been cooped up while we've been editing. So it's all good in the hood. Let's go. Just had a nice little walk through this kind of little touristy village, lots of restaurants, lots of bars. In fact, you could go and get some food, some fish, at this restaurant there, and all the fish is hanging up and they're barbecuing it, and you catch the fish first with a net from like a pond, not a very big pond, and a little bit further down it looked like that's where they were farming it, so they must transport the fish from there to the pond, and then you net it out, and then they cook it for you. Bit of a funny concept, but you know, whatever rocks your boat. Yeah, and the national park's quite nice. It's a nice time of day, so it's quite pleasant just walking around. Definitely feels like the winter's coming now though. Okay, so I found out that it's trout. I thought it was trout. There's a sign in English back there. So yeah, you can catch your own trout and then they'll cook it for you.
Yeah, it's quite nice here. It's like a little bohemian sort of touristy village. It's really got really nice surrounds. You're in a little valley and then you've got all these white cliffs all around you. Really lush greenery.
He's laughing because I've been pulled up, haven't I? About how many times I say lush. I don't think I say lush that much. Lush, lush, lush.
But lush it is lush. Word. I mean, it's so green and a lot of rainfall, so it just looks so nice. Can you leave this in the comments? How else would you describe a lush surroundings? Like if it's green and lush, what other words could you use? I mean, I know my vocabulary is not very good, but it just perfectly describes it.
So hopefully the light is okay for you as it's kind of dark. We weren't going to vlog tonight because I've just kind of been enjoying the evening and enjoying the location. But anyway, I thought I'd just do a quick vlog. Here's the setup, the van behind me, looking all cozy. We're cooking outside tonight, as you can see. A little gas stove is going on there behind me too. Yeah, but I thought I would just vlog because I think it looks so pretty and nice in the van with the little fairy lights on. So I thought I would just do a quickie anyways. Let's go in to the van. We're going this way. There you go, you can see behind me. Pretty cozy looking. Last night I just needed to go to the loo and I just, wandered over here away from the van. It's pitch dark around here at night, completely dark. Decided to take a pee over here by this tree. Couldn't see anything hardly. So, crouched down, a little wee-wee. And then something, I thought it was a snake actually, it really hurt. So it sort of made me jump up mid-pee, which obviously was a bit messy. So I had to come out with her to investigate with the torch, searching round for a snake or spider. Noticed that hole and initially a little bit worried, thinking what's come out of that hole. Could that be a snake? Could that be like a trapdoor spider or some big spider? But then luckily just before we went back into the van we noticed a little wasp coming in and out. Yeah. But luckily only the one. Yeah, because this morning we've come over to investigate and check out. There's just so many wasps coming in and out of this hole. So what's the lesson you've learnt, darling? Don't go for a pee at night without a torch. Always check where you're peeing. Because you don't know, it could just be on someone's home. They're not our bushes, they're not our woods. We share the woods with every little creature that's out there. Basically, I've crouched down and peed right into a wasp nest. It could have been a lot worse. Like, I got stung once on my ankles. I could have got stung all over my arse, basically. So I'm really glad, and it's taught me a lesson. So we felt that we didn't see that much of the national park on our walk last night. So this morning we've got the bikes off and come for a lovely cycle, and we're so glad we did. So nice, it reminds me of Asia a bit. You've got this little road, pathway winding along through the valley alongside a little stream. All the fields are really lush green. And you're surrounded by these, I don't know if it's limestone, but little mountains. It's so nice going through little villages or seeing little huts and little cafes every now and then. Really, really nice. Yeah, it reminds us of when we were in South China in a place called Yangzhou. It's kind of like a mini version of that. Without the rice paddy field. Yeah, the cycle track that we've just done. It's like, whoa, it's like being back in China, like real small scale. But so nice. So glad we came out and did it. Yeah, definitely worth it. If you're in the national park of Ojcow. Yeah, the national park. Ojcow ski. Basically the national park above Krakow. It's definitely worth popping in.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.